Hello everyone, this is Rocco Potassarre, and today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic that I came across actually a few days ago. I was searching on the web for articles to write and I needed to know what people were looking for the most, and I stumbled upon a website called answerthepublic.com. Answerthepublic.com allows you to insert a topic or a keyword, and it is going to return you the most looked for questions in regards to a specific topic. This is going to help you find titles for your articles, long-tail keywords for your campaigns, and do much more also in terms of SEO. It is going to be a huge source of information for your business. What I usually do with them is I find what people are looking for the most, I create articles for those topics, and then I advertise on these keywords to be able to get relevancy and a great content at a fraction of a price, because if I would need to advertise on more generic keywords, it would cost me more and the results wouldn't be as great. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm looking forward to talking to you soon. Bye bye.